Public Library of Cincinnati is one of the top 10 libraries in the country. We are consistently ranked, we were ranked, in fact, in the top 5 in the last couple of years. We've shut down a couple of branches. Our main library in downtown Cincinnati is the busiest public library building in the entire country. We have 130,000 visitors coming in every year, every month to our branches, in our main branch in downtown Cincinnati. Um, every year, number of visitors go up, number of computers go up, the requests for computing resources go up. Um, the budgets being what they are, being a government, nonprofit, educational institution, um, squeezes in budgets, squeezes. Uh, we have got a 28% reduction in budget over the last couple of years. So we are trying to squeeze every dollar to meet the needs that we need to get to. Our IT group, we are a very small IT group. We have 40 branches and 2 main buildings in downtown Cincinnati. So we're a county-wide library system. We have just 6 or 7 now help desk support people and a couple of other people, the network person, a web person, and myself that support, a sysadmin and myself that support the entire infrastructure. We are everything from behind the scenes services to desktop services. So pretty much have our hands full with what we need to do. In terms of what we do, we are pretty much a Windows environment. We have Exchange 2007, SQL 2008, standard domain services, standard file print services, IIS, Apache, few Linux boxes, a reservation system that we use for PC time management, things like that, printout costs. What we're trying to do is, given we had, for example, we had 28 staff members in the last couple of years, so we're down to less than 10 now. So with the reduced number of hands that we have, trying to improve the productivity, provision resources as we need them because of our budget needs, trying to do all this. Virtualization has been a great tool set for us to get to where we were. We were not virtualized a couple of years ago. And the last couple of years, we were an AS400 shop even 5 years ago. And from having an entire data center full of IBM equipment, we're down to 4 ESX nodes, 3 ESX nodes that handle practically everything that we do. So that has really changed our vision of what IT is and what we do with it. This is sort of our overview of our infrastructure. We have a ESX 3.5 and actually sort of moving to vSphere 4, actually waiting for 4.2 or 4.1. 120 VM, SQL 2008, 2005, a Citrix infrastructure, bunch of business apps, web servers, internet site. Trying to leverage some local VDI users over our gig internet switch. Actually trying to put in a 10 gig Ethernet infrastructure for the core. Primary storage is now an Isilon 6000X cluster. This is a 15 terabyte cluster. It has both our CIF shares and our NFS data stores for VM. All our Exchange servers, SQL servers, all the data is wrapped into the VMDK. The data is inside the VM, and we've had reasonably good performance with that. We have about 1,000 mailboxes and about 1,500 desktops to support. So we seems to work out. We have a DR site. We have 6,000 I nodes. We use a 100 meg WAN link to replicate. We replicate our CIFs and NFS. We replicate our CIF shares using SyncIQ, which is a tool that Isilon provides.